welcome to my YouTube channel! My name is Canan, and today I thought of sharing some tips and tricks with you guys on how to make your lips appear like bigger and amazing, I guess. So if you want to know how I put on like my lip gloss in my lip liner and stuff like that to make my lips look like bigger, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, I do peel my lips always before I put on any makeup, just to get rid of the dead skin that's all over our lips, especially at this time of the year. We all get dry lips, so good lip scrub is the key for a healthy looking lip. I'm using the Lush Bubblegum Lip Scrub, which is amazing. It's just like sugar, and the smell of it, you guys, unbelievable. So I always get my hands on this one because, as I said, the smell is bubblegum. Who doesn't love that, right? After peeling my lips, I would usually put on my makeup. So the first thing I always do is I moisturize my face. I put a base on my face, and you do put a base on your face. Why not put a base on your lips as well? So I put on chapsticks before I put on like my whole makeup, so the chapstick can like sink in and moisturize your lips. So my favorite one is actually a German brand, but I picked some other two favorites of mine. It's the Carmix one. It's actually amazing. This is the cherry one, but they do have one without the cherry smell or taste or whatever as well. And then I got the Biotherm one. I don't really like the smell, but it's so hydrating. So the next thing that's like so important to make your lips appear bigger and sexy is actually lip pencils. I always put lip pencil on, even if I don't put on any lipstick or lip gloss or anything. I just always use lip pencils. The MAC ones are my absolute favorite, so I picked these three because all of them are natural shades. It goes from light to medium to dark. Wrong, sorry. This one's actually the lightest. Anyway, I'm going to swatch them for you. You can actually outline your lips a little bit to make your lips appear much bigger, but I like to keep it natural. So yeah, I will start using Orc now. This is the lightest shade that I got. And I'm going over with Morning Coffee. This is the darkest shade that I got, and I put that on the outer parts of my lips. So I did try a lot of lipsticks, I did try a lot of liquid lipsticks, and like matte ones and creamy ones. I think like the creamy ones work better for me to make my lips appear bigger, but my favorite is lip gloss since like forever. And so I thought of putting on this lipstick right here. It's a nude shade as well. This is the Laura Mercier lip gloss in blush. So I just put that on. And the last step is actually putting on a highlight on your Cupid's bow, because a highlight on your lips actually complements your lips like so much. It catches like the light, whether it's natural lighting or not. It just looks amazing when you put a little bit of highlight on your cupid's bow. So I'm going to do that. If you want to see my highlighting routine, because I uploaded one last week, then check out my channel. But today I'm using the Sleek palette, and I'm using the champagne shade right here, which is absolutely perfect for that. I'm using a VH Cosmetics detail brush and just placed it over the lip gloss and over the lip liner I put on. Just like that. And see there, I think my lips look so much bigger now, right? That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, then give this video a big thumbs up, please. That would make me so happy. Subscribe to my channel, please, if you want to, to make sure that you don't miss out on any new videos I post. Also click the bell if you want to, so you get notifications. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you. Bye. Oh, I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.